Hello, Jeff Wellborn here, today to tell you about a great new product, Hardware Resources Multi-Tool. Hardware Resources Multi-Tool will help you install slides, hinges, and drill necessary holes in drawer boxes. Comes with the jig, a 7mm drill bit, a stop collar for the 7mm drill bit, an Allen wrench, 2.5mm drill bit, and installation instructions. For installing drawer clips, use the 2.5mm drill bit and drill holes. After your holes are pre-drilled, your clips install real easy. For drilling rear hook holes for slides, place your 7mm drill bit into your fixture. Drop the collar down, use your Allen wrench to set the stop, which will set your depth. Take your jig, line it up in the notch of the drawer box, and then drill your rear hook holes. For installing slides, mark the height, use your jig with your 2.5mm drill bit and drill your hole. This allows for easy installation of slides, giving your 4mm setback. For installing hinges on face frames, you will mark your height of your hinge, use your jig with the 2.5mm drill bit, pre-drill your hole. With your hole pre-drilled, makes installing your hinge quick and easy. Mark where your hinge will go, use your jig, the 2.5mm drill bit, pre-drill your holes. With your holes pre-drilled, it allows for installing plates on frameless, quick and easy. I hope you see how Hardware Resources Multi-Tool will help you. Thanks for watching.